ordered this iPhone in Apple Store. I ordered yesterday morning and it came today, this afternoon. So the shipping is really fast and there's no shipping fee. It's free. I ordered two other products from Apple and it's right here. I'll open it later. I'll unbox it later. I've waited a long time to order this iPhone because I really wanted to order it in Costco. And Costco representative said that they are wondering why Apple don't give them a lot of stocks, a lot of iPhone. So I've waited. I should have ordered this iPhone 12 Pro Max the first day it came out. But Costco, they don't have the color that I want and the storage that I want. I am so excited because I've waited so long for this iPhone 12 Pro Max. Okay, let me unbox this. Let me put this aside first. So what I have here is the iPhone 12 Pro Max and it is in gold color and 256 gigabytes of storage. Okay, let's unbox this. Okay, what do we have here? Is it gold? Yeah, it's gold. It seems like it's not gold. Okay, ang cute ng box ah. There you go. Okay, before I open that, it only comes with this one, the wire. It doesn't have the plug or the adapter itself. It doesn't have that. And what's inside? What is this for? Oh yeah, for this one. For the SIM? Okay, so the usual Apple sticker. Okay, let's put this back, and this one, let's open. It's just the regular wire. All right, so put this aside. Let's open. It's really big. Okay, let's turn this on. Alright, so hit English. Select your country or region. Okay, United States. Quick start. Set up manually. Wi-Fi. I'll do that later. Can I use cellular connection? Takes me a few minutes to activate your phone. Alright. Last more. It may take a few minutes to activate your phone. Data and privacy. iPhone can recognize the unique three-dimensional features of your face to unlock automatically. Okay. I'll set this up now. So how to set up? How to set up ID. First, position your face in the camera frame, then move your head in circle to show the angles of your face. Okay, let me pause this. It says here ID scan is complete. Continue. So it says here ID face is now set up. Continue. Create a passcode. Okay, that's a long one. Okay, created a passcode. Choose how you want to transfer apps and data to this phone. Don't transfer. Apple ID. Hold on, I'm gonna get my Apple ID. Okay, it says here ID verification has been sent to my other device. So terms and condition, agree. Okay, so express setting, allow maps and other apps. Okay, let's do continue. Keep your phone up to date, get the latest features, security, and you will receive a notification before updates. Okay, continue. So I don't have that, I'll do it later. iCloud Kitchen. It says here, keep the password and credit card information you save secure and up to date on the device you approved. So I'm not gonna do this because I don't have that. Siri helps you get things done just by asking Siri. To use Siri, press and hold the side button or say, "Hey Siri," anytime. Okay. I'll do that later. Press and hold the side button to talk to Siri. This one, okay. Improve Siri dictation. Okay. Get a weekly report with insight about your screen time. Do this later. Apply analytics. Don't share. True tone display. iPhone automatic adapts to ambient light condition to make colors appear consistent. You can change. Okay, I need that. So select a light or dark appearance and see how I was. Okay, light. Continue. Display zoom. Okay, I'm gonna do standard. So hit continue. Welcome to iPhone. Swipe to get started. Swipe up. There you go. So here's my new iPhone 12 Pro Max in gold, 256 storage. So why do I need iPhone? Because I have a MacBook Pro. So whenever I'm going to film, it's much easier to see what I'm filming. I can see in the monitor or in my MacBook. It's much easier for me to see what's going on while I'm filming. And it's my first time to have an iPhone. Since I unboxed the iPhone itself, let me unbox all the other accessories. And I'm gonna put the case. Okay, let's do this first. So this is the case. I got the clear one. It's MagSafe as well. Let's open the MagSafe as well. Let's do this. Okay, so let me plug it Actually, I bought the plug as well. But I'm just gonna try this to my computer right now. Let's see if this is going to work. It's not charging while using my computer. Hold on, I'm gonna get or unbox the other plug. So let me unbox this. Okay, so I have this, and let's open. Oh, it's big. Okay, so it still have plastic. So let me plug it to the outlet. Okay, now it's charging. I wonder why it's not charging through my MacBook. Okay, so I'm gonna unbox the other one. This is the earphone. I just got the regular earphone. For the earpod, it's too expensive. I'm not gonna get that, or hopefully if it come down to less than $50, I'll get it. But that's too expensive, so this one is good for me. Okay, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked how I unboxed my iPhone 12 Pro Max in gold 256, and don't forget to subscribe. My channel is BeyPel. Hit that like button, comment, share this video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, everyone. I'll see you next time. Bye!